In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your inventory, including adding, editing, and deleting items, as well as how to navigate your inventory using the two different view modes. This process is the same whether you're on desktop or mobile. The steps are identical across all platforms. Along the left side of the screen, you'll see all of your inventory categories. Things like food, first aid, water, camping, shelter, and more. Each category represents a different area of your preparedness inventory. Click any category to get started. When you first start out, your categories will be empty. You'll see a message letting you know there are no items entered yet, along with two buttons, Recommended and Add Item. Let's start with the Recommended button. This opens a panel showing all the subcategories for this category, along with suggested items you might want to stock. This is a great starting point if you're not sure what to do. Click on any subcategory to expand it and see the recommended items inside. Click the plus button next to any item to select it. This will open the Add Item panel with the item name and subcategory already filled in for you. Simply review the details, fill in any additional information you like, and click Add Item to save it. You can also add an item manually using the Add Item button. Enter the item name, select a subcategory, and set the quantity. Below that, you'll find the optional info sections. This varies depending on the category you're in. For food items, you can enter calories per serving and servings per container, as well as an expiration date if you choose. Other categories may show different options. For example, camping and shelter items let you indicate whether the item requires power, batteries, or fuel. In the demographics section, you can assign a storage location, an owner, and mark the item as tradable if you're open to trading it with others. When you're done, click Add Item to save it to your inventory. Now that you have some items, let's take a look at the two ways you can view your inventory. By default, the page uses the Accordion view. Your items are organized by subcategory. Click the subcategory header to expand it and see the items inside. Click an item name to expand it further and see the full details, including the owner, servings, calories, expiration date, storage location, and any expiration warnings. You'll also notice color-coded warning badges on subcategories that have items approaching or past their expiration date, so you can spot issues at a glance without having to open everything. If you prefer to see everything in a flat list, click the toggle button in the top right corner to switch to Grid View. Grid View displays all your items in a table with columns for name, category, servings, calories per servings, expiration, storage and locations, owners, and trade status. The edit and delete buttons are also visible here for each item. This view is great when you want a quick scan or compare everything across subcategories at once. To edit an item, click the pencil icon next to it. This opens the Edit Item panel with all the existing values pre-filled. Make any changes you need and click Update to save. To delete an item, click the trash icon. The item is removed immediately, so make sure you're certain before clicking it. At the bottom of each category page, you'll find the Next Task panel, which guides you towards your next recommended preparedness step. We'll be covering more inventory features including calorie tracking, water tracking, and templates in the next few videos.